Mikä se on? Onks joulupukki kai? Mennäänkö me auksemaan ovi?
Yeah.
No niin, no tule.
Who's there? Who's there? Who's there?
Aukaistaanko ovi? Aukaise ovi.
Is Santa Claus running?
Daddy, somebody knocked on the door. Let's open it up.
Who is it, Kai?
Who is it, Kai?
What is that?
What?
What is that?
Mikä se on?
Who left that? Oh my gosh.
Kenen nimi siinä on? Luepa siitä lapusta, Kai.
Bring it in,
Kai, Kai, kenen nimi siinä on?
Bring it in. Hurry, lift it. Pick it up, Papa. You can do it. Come on. Come on. Pick it up. Help Daddy. Grab right there.
Let's read the... What does it say? Who is it for?
Bring that in too, Kai. And the other one. And the whole bag. Grab the whole bag. Bring it in. Harry. Harry, look over there. Is anybody there?
Yeah, anybody.
Check over there. Make sure nobody's out there. Look both ways. Look the left and right. Look the other way. Alright, come on. Come shut the door. Harry, lock the door. Shut the door, okay? Shut the door. Yeah, don't slam it, but shut it. Watch your fingers. Oh, what does that say? What's that say?
It says, the arrow.
Lue se, Kai.
That's your name. It says
Yeah.
Kai.
Kai.
Ooh.
Yeah, I want to open it. It's not.
Tear it open. See what it is. What is that?
It's stomach.
Oh my stars, what is that, Kai?
Daddy, Mommy.
Tear it open.
Wow.
Harry.
Mikä se on, Kai?
Oh, what is that? What is that? Whoa, Kai! Look at that!
I want to open this box.
Alright, let me help you. Hold on. Let's get some scissors. Got some scissors?
Wow, mikä se on, Kai?
Wow!
Oh, wow.
Let's get that off. What else can we open? Let's see. Daddy, see if he can help you. Okay, let's see what it is, Papa. Okay. We gotta cut off the sides right here. This looks pretty cool, Papa. Thomas the Train. What is this, a motorbike? What is it, Kai?
It's a scooter.
How did you know that?
Scooter.
How'd you know that's a scooter?
Because it's Spanish in here.
I've never seen one of these before.
You know the seat before?
This is only for big boys and good boys that do well in school and they mind their parents. Otherwise, whoever left this at the door will come and take it away if you're not a good boy. Understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Where's your helmet? You don't need a helmet for this. Oh, Dad, I almost got open for you. Oh, there.
Wow.
That's 4 and 9. 1 to 2. 1 to 5. Hold on, Dad. Let's see. Okay. Only Daddy can help you with this on your scooter.
No, only me.
Wow.
Hold on. So Daddy, you gotta be like this. One foot. See?
Okay, Daddy.
Daddy wanted to show you. Here, Papa. Come on. Hey, Daddy, you need your helmet. Remember what Daddy said about Santa, right? Come on. Come on, Papa.
Bring it closer.
No. Come here, Papa. Come here, son. You can turn the camera off. It's just... Listen, you want this to go back? Come over here. Put your pants up. Put your pants up. Let's put your helmet on. No accidents, okay? This is kind of, says 1 to 5, but seems a little bit more advanced than I expected.
They're not your kids, Sid. Take them back.
Oops,
You're not meant to be a parent. Why not? First sign, killing someone else's egg. Second sign, one of them almost became an omelet.
Okay. Helmet on first, safety first, right? Always helmet on. Go very slow, okay? Because it's very hard.
You're gonna meet a nice girl with
Nice and slow, okay? Oh, let's take this. Move your stuff.
Odota, Kai. Odota. Wait for Daddy, okay?
1 foot at a time, Daddy. There you go. You're learning. Does that thing come down a little bit? Okay, put 1 foot up there. Okay, you want to scoot. 1 leg at a time. There you go. There you go, Daddy.
Good job. Hienosti sä meet, Kai. No niin, yksi jalka siihen
Turn
päälle.
like this, Daddy. You can turn it. Let Daddy take a picture. Let Dad take a picture, huh?
Wow. That is so
That's
cool.
big boy stuff right there. Whoa, look at Papa.
Wow, Kai.
Yeah, he's gonna have a couple accidents. Just make sure you keep his helmet on. Come here, Daddy. Let me see. Oh, there you go.
Yeah, that's a good job.
There you go. Turn that puppy. This floor is kind of slippery. I wonder if I can do something to the wheels to make it run.
Oi, kun sinä osaat, Kai. Ei, kun yksi jalka maahan, okei? Okay? Niin lattialle. Yksi jalka siihen päälle ja yksi on lattialle. Se on Thomas. Thomas the train.
Come with that, let me see. Come this way, Daddy. 1 foot. 1 foot like this. Like this, Papa. Scoot. Keep 1 foot on the... Always, there you go, like that. Now push. Push with the other foot. Push. 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 Now you want to hold this hand, put this hand right here, Daddy. Like that. There you go. Now push. Push with the one foot. There you go. Good,
Oho, hienosti Kai.
good job, son.
Hooray! Hienosti Kai.
Look how special that is, Daddy.
Hello, I'm Thomas. I'm Thomas. I'm Thomas. I'm a really reliable engine. I'll hop it
You
up.
figured that out, Papa? How did you figure that out? Oh, right there.
I'm Thomas. I'm a really reliable engine. I'll hop it on pump to be there on time.
What's this do?
Hello, I'm Thomas. I'm
What's
a
this
really
one?
reliable engine. I'll hop it on pump to be there on time.
That's tomatoes after that.
Hei Kai. Kuka toi Kaille sen scooter? Kuka sen toi?
It's Santa Claus.
Oliko se Santa Claus?
Yeah.
Meinaatko se sitä, että Kai on ollut reipas poika? No hyvä. Mitä sitä sanotaan joulupukille?
Thank you.
Niin, sanotaan kiitos.
Keep your hands on, Daddy. Be safe.
Thank you.
Thank you. Kai wanted to say thank you to Santa. Good
Okay,
job.
No, okay?
Good